So you've been making content for a while and you haven't been able to find an audience. I'm going to tell you that there's a way to do it right now, and it takes as little time as it took you to listen to me say this. What if I told you there was a way that you can get 40, 50, 100,000 views with little to no effort at all by a captive audience who wants to see your content? Maybe you're a content creator or a VTuber or an artist. Maybe you do 3D modeling or you're a music producer. We can guarantee you tens of thousands of new visitors and new followers over 2 weeks by participating in the world's largest virtual convention. You're still here. Virtual Market, or Vket, is the world's largest virtual convention, and we have the Guinness World Record to back it up. Every year, we're visited by millions and millions of people, and our real-world convention has been visited by 250,000 people in less than 2 years. Oh, but why haven't I heard of this before? VR is just getting started, and it's about to blow up, but the best part is, all of your viewers just need a cell phone. Your new potential audience is waiting for you. If you just go to event.vket.com and sign up right now, for completely free, you can have an exhibition here for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. Every single year, hundreds to thousands of people miss this opportunity. The sign-up period is only available for 1 week. You have until September the 16th at 12 a.m. Japan time to sign up for Virtual Market 2024 Winter. Head on over to event.vket.com right now if you want to apply. Build a new audience and bring your friends.